Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make a super easy and delicious caldillo de chile verde. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by making our seasoning mix. For that, we're just going to mix 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and salt. I'm using 2.5 teaspoons. So we're just going to mix it. Okay, so now we're just going to sprinkle it over 3 pounds of chuck pot roast, just cut into small sized pieces. And make sure to completely coat the meat. Okay, so once we have our meat, now we can get ready to begin cooking. To my pot over medium-high heat, I'm going to cover the bottom with oil. And we're just going to allow it to get nice and hot. Okay, once it's nice and hot, we're going to place our pieces of meat. And we're going to be doing this step in batches. So just give it about a minute and then we can get ready to flip it. After the minute, we're going to flip our pieces of meat to the other side and just allow that side to sear for another minute. Okay, after the minute, we're going to remove our meat from the pot. Add more oil if you need to. And repeat the same process to the rest of the meat. Okay, so once we have browned all of our meat, we're going to be adding 1 whole onion to our pot, along with 3 minced garlic cloves, and we're going to saute for about 3 minutes. Make sure to scrape the bottom of your pot. Okay, after 3 minutes, we're going to add 3 Roma tomatoes, 2 jalapenos, and 2 chile serranos, and 10 hatch or Anaheim roasted peppers. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a little bit of salt. Now just mix it. Okay, once you begin to smell the cumin and the oregano, we're going to get ready to add our 4 cups of chicken broth, or you can use water. And now we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to return our meat. Mix it all in. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover it and allow it to cook for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Make sure to mix it every 30 minutes so like that you can prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Alright guys, so after 1 hour and 40 minutes, this is where our caldillo should begin to look like, and our meat should be nice and tender. So here we're going to be adding our 5 potatoes. Mix them in. Okay, now cover it and allow it to cook for another 20 minutes. Okay, and after 20 minutes, our caldillo de chile verde should be done. Of course, we're going to check on the potatoes, make sure that they are nice and soft. And they're done. And of course, the meat, it should be nice and tender. So we're just going to turn it off and get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious. The hardest part is just waiting, but let me tell you that it's honestly super worth it. So I am so ready. Get my tortilla. And the meat so tender. Look at that, it just falls apart. The caldito. So delicious. Cheers and enjoy. So comforting. So perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious caldillo de chile verde. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.